Let's make a hanging towel perfect for Valentine's Day. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this pot holder from Dollar Tree, and I have a little wooden cutout of a heart. I also have a towel from Dollar Tree. This one is cute little gnomes with hearts, and I'm just going to tri-fold it. Is that like fold it in thirds, and then I fold it in half. And I'm just trying to get a gauge as to how wide I need it for our pot holder. And you basically want to fold it so that it is the same width as the pot holder. And see, we've got that. Perfect. We've got it exactly. Now we want to just secure it so that we're basically, it's going to be one sew down the middle. That's what it's going to be. It is so kiss simple. I mean, this is the perfect sewing project for beginners or for people who want to get back into sewing or for kids or whatever. I'm telling you, it's so cool. So I just secured it with some pins, and I'm going to sew right down the middle, right between those pins. Bloop. Easy peasy. Now I used a dark thread just so you could see it. See how just one down the center. We're going to take out our pins and the things that we secured it with, and I'm going to show you two ways that I do a button, but look at done, right? That's perfect. So now we're going to do a button, and I'll be honest with you, I wanted a heart button and I couldn't find one. So guess what, friends? We're going to make our own. So I have this little wood cutout, and I'm just going to use my crocodile that I got at Michael's, and I'm going to pop two little holes. Doop. Now you could use a drill even to do this, but I have a crocodile, so I'm going to use it. And then I'm just going to sew the button on with some thread. Now the thread I'm using is quilter's thread, so it's thicker. You do as many passes in and out of your button and into the pot holder as you want. I never know when to stop. I'm always like, is it secure enough? I don't know. Let's go one more pass. I know, it's obsessive. I can't help myself. But then I just secure the back, and all I'm doing on the back, once I get enough strands through my my button, is I'm just tying it in the back into some knots. So I go through all of the threads that I did on the back. I go through it, but I don't pull it all the way through. And I just put the needle through to make a knot. Then I'm going to make just a regular knot at the end and make sure I hold it with my finger just so that it goes to the very end, and then I trim the excess. This is one way you can do it, and it looks cute. I'll be honest with you though, I was like, meh, I want country. So I popped a couple more holes in my pot holder to match up to those little holes that we did with the wood heart, and now I'm using jute. And yes, you heard me right, I said jute. Do I care that it's not going to be on there forever? No, because it's adorable and it looks country and primitive, and I love it. So if you don't like it, that's okay. You do something different. I'm the idea girl either. Anyways, just saying. So anyways, I got a little off track there. I apologize. Anyways, so I just thread it through and I tie it in a double knot, nice and secure. The thing I like about jute is that it doesn't come apart easy. Now you could leave it in a bow. I didn't. I cut mine just so that it strands just the knot and quit it. Look at how cute. Stop it right now. I love it. And here it is on my oven. Don't judge me for my dirty oven. I got 6 children, and I'll leave it at that. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.